Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to read this makeup tutorial. So let's get started.
First, I'm going to apply cream on my face. Before I didn't do this step and my face was very dry. Now that I do it, I can say that it looks more hydrated. After applying our cream, we're going to apply a little almond oil to get the glowy effect on your skin. I used to like my makeup to be more matte, but now I like my skin to look more glowy. We're going to do a very casual makeup. I'm going to be using Bisou foundation. I have to admit that before I use it to my any foundation or make my own foundation, and that gave me a lot of pimples. Then let's move on to our concealer. I apply a little around the tear stroke area and on the end of the eye to make that foxy eye effect. The technique I had before was to make an inverted triangle to make the face look more illuminated, but now I like it better this way and I spend less product. Now we seal everything with our compact powder. I take very little product and I use it for the whole face. Before I took too much powder and that made my skin look ragged and I didn't like that at all. Now we are going to apply some bronzer a little bit below the cheeks, on the forehead and on the jaw. I really like this bronzer because it has very nice brown color. Before I used to use one that left my skin reddish and that made my makeup look weird. With what is left on the product, we are going to give color to our eyelids. For the eyebrows, I use this brush that has color. I can comb them and at the same time make up them up. Before I used to use a Bisou shadow, but now I like this product better because it leaves my eyebrows fixed and they don't move during the day. Now we are going to apply our blush on the cheeks and continue to the end of our eyebrows. We also apply a little on the nose and chin. Before I didn't like to apply blush on my nose, but now I find it pretty nice. I'm going to put some highlighter on my nose and cup spot and I'm going to apply a gloss to give that glowy effect on my lips and finish with a fix spray. As you could notice at the beginning of the video, I wear glasses. Before I used to apply mascara, but as you can see it because of my glasses.
Sorry about the final cut. I was saying that I don't use mascara anymore because I wear glasses and it doesn't show when I upload it. Thank you for watching this video.